Hello everyone, this is Swati from ThemeHunk.com. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install and activate WordPress themes in your WP dashboard. For this, first you have to log in your WP dashboard. Now I am going with Appearance, Themes. Click on Add New. Here you can search your theme. Like this. As you can see, this is my theme. Click on Install. Theme is installing. Now click on Activate. My theme has been successfully installed and activated in my WP dashboard. You can also install and activate your theme by just adding the zip file of that particular theme. For this, I am going to ThemeHunk.com to get the zip file of my theme. Going with the free theme. Downloading my free theme from here by just clicking on the download button. Again, I am navigating to my dashboard. Click on Add New, Upload Theme. Just drag and drop the zip file of your theme. Click on Install Now. Activate. Using these two processes, you can install and activate WordPress themes in your WP dashboard. I hope this video tutorial will help you. For more video tutorials like this, please press the bell icon and subscribe ThemeHunk channel. Thank you.